In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy an IC funded account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to icfunded.com. I'll also put a link to it down in the description below. From here, it should look something like this. And here you can see support trading funded talent, and you can start now by clicking here. And if you click on that, a new page will pop up where you can see you can sign into your account. And if you don't already have an account, you can see new to platform down here, create an account. When you click on that, you'll get into this form. Here you'll need to add in a username, a first name, a last name, an email address, a country, a state, phone number, new passport, and new confirmed password. From here, you also need to click I declare that I have read and agree with terms and conditions. I declare that I have read and agree with refund policy. And lastly, I have declared that I have read and agree with the privacy policy. From here, when you have typed in all of your information, you'll need to click sign up. From here, you'll get a mail that you'll need to verify. From here, you'll need to go into this page right here once you're logged in again. From here, you can see there's a bunch of different options. And to create a new challenge or buy in a funded account, you'll need to go up here to new evaluation. From here, you'll see this page right here. And here you can add either a one-step or a two-step account. You can add what type of trading platform you want to use, either MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or CTrader. If I choose MetaTrader 5 right here, and then down here you can see one-time fees and how much your account will be worth. As you can see here, this is a 5K, 10K, 25K, 50K, 100K, 250K, and 500,000 accounts. From here, you'll need to choose the one you desire most. Click right here, the select button. From here, you'll need to add in your information. And once you've done that, you'll need to click I declare that I have read and agree with terms and conditions, and I declare all of these other things. And here you can also add a discount code or an affiliate code. I'll put a link to that down in the description, and then click continue. From here, you'll need to add in your credit card details, and then from there, you will have access to your newest challenge. I hope this helps. If it does, leave a like. I wish you good luck with your challenge and happy trading.